Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Ramp Corporate Credit Expense Management Platform, and they also offer a credit line similar to Divvy and some of these other fintech companies. I would say they're most comparable to Divvy just because of the requirements as far as what you need to have in your business bank account. So I was recently approved for the Ramp corporate card. You can see here, covered up. They have an option you can do your logo. I didn't do that. I just did the normal. Anyways, so I recently got this card, and I just want to let you guys know ahead of time so I don't get a whole bunch of thumbs down. This particular company is not a fintech company for those that have... You could be a startup, say only like 3 months of banking data, that's fine. You just have to have high revenue. They like to see 50 to 75,000 in your business bank account at the time of applying. The link will be in the description below. Like I said, I don't want you guys to, watch this if it's not for you. It's not for everybody. Keep in mind, there's not really a requirement as far as time in business, but you do have to have a business bank account, and you have to have transactions and average daily balance 50,000 and higher in your business bank account to be able to get approved. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If you only are having, say, last month you had 10,000 gross sales, and then say this month you had 50,000, you might be able to qualify. They use the Plaid platform to connect to your business bank data account to check everything. They don't check your personal credit. It's no personal guarantee. And they don't check your, like I said, personal credit at all. They don't check your business credit. That doesn't matter. They solely rely on your business banking data, and that's it. You really don't need to have, I would say, 6 months. You don't need to have that because the business bank account that I connected only had about 3 months, not even 3 months of business bank account data, but it did have a higher balance. So I would say you want to have like 50 to 75,000 in your business bank account if you're going to apply for this card. It's like a net 30 terms, so it's similar to like a American Express card where you need to pay it back within 30 days. The good thing about Ramp, though, is they give you 1.5% cash back on what you spend. We'll get into that here in a minute. Please don't give this video a thumbs down if, this is not, say, a fintech company for you. Just maybe look at it as something to look forward to as your business grows. If you don't meet that requirement to be able to even get approved, so just keep that in mind. But anyways, it's for company sizes of all company sizes up to 20 times higher limits. You can issue virtual cards, physical cards, unlimited, no personal guarantee, unlimited receipt matching, 1.5% cash back, which is pretty unique because even Divvy really doesn't offer that, so that's pretty cool. I've already started using it just recently. No credit checks, easy onboard. I think mine took only about 1 day to get approved, not even 1 day. They're going to have to verify your personal information, whoever the owner is, so you're going to have to, give them your ID, driver's license, state ID, or passport, and social security number, but that's just for federal regulations. It's required. And then you get 30-day terms. I'm not sure if they actually report to the business credit bureaus at all, but If you use my link and you get approved, then you'll get $250 after you spend $1,000. Like I said, they're very similar to Brex. So the credit lines kind of, it seems like to me, I haven't spoken to anybody directly with Ramp, but it seems like their initial credit line will range anywhere from 10 to 35% of whatever your bank balance is when they approve you. And it seems like every couple of days they will scan your bank account using the Plaid platform, scan it, and your credit limit will go up and down depending on your bank balance. So if you have a good month where you have a lot of transactions coming through, a lot of revenue, your credit limit might be higher than the initial one that they actually give you, okay? So let's go over to my account so I can show you guys real quick. So it doesn't cost anything. There's no fees at all. You can see I spent $4,000 I've charged, and then the cash back is like $61. So if I'm not mistaken my math, then it'll be like 1.5% cash back. So that's pretty good. I mean, that's not bad for especially a corporate program. I'm not going to get into my limit and stuff because, like I said, it fluctuates. My limit's different than what they initially approved me for. Like, it's changed a couple times. I got approved a couple weeks ago. But you can see here, you can issue cards, as many as you want for your employees. You can set limits to them, what type of transactions, all that. And it integrates with like all your typical accounting software and like QuickBooks Online, Xero, NetSuite, Sage, and then others. So, yeah, I mean, I think that's it. I don't want to bore you guys with too many details because you guys can check that out yourself. But you can see here that, we got it. Like I said, it's not the easiest one to get approved for. Like I said, you're going to need to have, some cash reserve in your business bank account. You don't need to be in business very long. It's more so the cash reserve that you have in your business bank account. Like I said, if you're in those upper bracket as far as cash flow coming through, it's not necessarily your profit, but your gross transactions coming through. Try to apply, go through, hit the link below because you'll get $250 also, like a cashback type deal, kind of like Brex. Again, don't give the video a thumbs down because, like I said, this video is not for everybody. I'm just putting it out there just because it is one option. You can use other people's money, basically, float it across some other fintechs as well. I got 2 or 3 other fintechs that are not out on YouTube at all. They're very new. I don't want to do a spoiler alert, but tomorrow I'll be putting those out, and they don't have as much requirements needed as well. But anyways, recap real quick. The Ramp corporate card, it's like American Express. I'm going to check if they report to any business credit bureaus, but I would imagine they would report to at least, one of them or so. But anyways, that's all for this video. Please smash the thumbs up. Even if you're not able to apply for this right now, maybe in the future you can. And it's just one more, fintech company that you can use, to utilize the credit line as well. You can issue virtual cards just like Divvy and some of the other ones as well. Anyways, until next time, you guys take care. I was actually just looking at my cards here. I don't want to do a spoiler alert or anything, so I'll just wait until the video comes out. Anyways, you guys take care. Please, if you're not already a subscriber, consider subscribing. I'm putting out videos almost daily now. I know I took a couple about a week off, but I got more videos coming out. Until next time, you guys take care. I appreciate your time. And please, again, don't hit the thumbs down. Hit the thumbs up, even if this fintech company is not for you, because I do understand that it's, you know, I don't want to say they're not startup friendly, but they want to see that you have some cash reserves in your business bank account. Okay? Till next time, you guys take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.